What's up, guys? Welcome back again to the channel. Like I always mention, if you're new, you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. So with that being said, man, let's dive into the video. Yeah. Okay, guys, so today I'm going to install a new cabin air filter on my '08 Acura TL. So it's basically a bunch of basic tools you need, Phillips head screwdriver, and that's about it. So this is the filter that I'm going to be using. Alright guys, so step one for this process is to make sure you empty your glove box compartment. And second, you have two pins that's holding your thing right here. So one over here and one over there. And also you have a little latch thing right in here that's holding your glove box so you don't fall all the way down. So what you want to do is push that little thing in like that and then push it back. So now you have access to it. And then what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to take out these two pins, and then I'll have access to move everything. So be sure to stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna go get a little actually I have it right here, a tiny little flathead screwdriver. Push that pin in just like that, and then you'll be able to just slide this right out just like that. Now be gentle with it because you don't want to break them, because I did break one, so I had to get a black one, the same thing, and it's not something visible. So as you can see, I'll re-pull them out. This at the bottom is off too, so what you want to do is push on the side just like that to unlock this piece right there. See how it's coming to the side? I'll show you on this side. Push it like that. Now the whole thing will just drop down just like this, and now you have full access to them two Phillips head screws right there that you need to remove in order to have access to your filters. Got my Phillips head screwdriver right here. Gonna go ahead and take them two screws out so I can pop this cover out so I can get to the filter. Alright guys, screw number one is out. Now let me get to screw number two. Alright, so both of my screws are out. So what you want to do, you want to grab from the side over here and pull. You'll hit the clips coming right off. Be gentle with it so you don't break anything, because all you want to do is just pop that cover out. That's all you want to do. I think. I don't know what's going on. This damn thing. There we go. That's it. Be gentle with it. You don't have to force anything. Now you do have two adapters that you have to disconnect, and I think one is for the lights in the glove box compartment, and the other one is for the trunk button that's in the glove box compartment. So what you do, push in on those clips right here, pull that one out, and you do the same thing for the light. Pull it right out just like that, and everything should just come right out. Alright guys, so after removing the covers and everything, this is how it looks. So this right here, this is where your cabin air filter is located. Now you have this little pin right here you have to push in, and the same thing on the right side in order to get your filter out. One right here and one on this side. You have to push it in and then pull out in order to get your filter to come out. So right now what I'm getting ready to do, let's see if I could do it one hand. So I did the left side and I did the right side right here. So as you can see, this is my cabin air filter. That shit is dirty as hell. God damn. I know when the last time I changed this damn thing. So what I'm getting ready to do is just dump this one out. That's the old one. Dump that mug right out. And I'm gonna go ahead and get a little towel so I can wipe this, so I can go ahead and put the brand new one in. Okay guys, so as you can see, this filter was an OEM originally Honda filter, but the one that I'm going to install today is not a Honda OEM part, and I don't think that's gonna be a problem because I did call the dealer and they said no, it's not an issue. You just have to replace it, you know, a lot quicker than the OEM part, because the OEM parts, they use thicker product, fabrics I meant, so it lasts a lot longer. But this is a premium one, CarQuest, so I think it'll do just fine. This is the old one, and then in this box is the new one. Now there's not really a big difference, you know, so it's pretty much the same thing. So right now, let me go ahead and get the box that I just cleaned right here, and it has an instructions on how the filter should go. As you can see right here, airflow downwards, and also I believe you filter, this should has it too. You see that little arrow right there showing you this side is up and this side is down. So this side goes up, and I think it's only on one side. Yes, it's on one side up. So what you want to do, slide it right in here. I just put on the wrong way. Right in here, just like that, and it fits perfectly, just like that, guys. Press it right in there, just like the old one was, and then you're gonna go ahead and slide it right back in here. So what you want to do is slide it right back in here, just like that. Make sure the wire's out the way. Push it in until you hear the clicking sound on both sides. And that's about it. So now all you have to do is put all the covers back into place, put all the screws, the pins and everything, and then that's it. So what I'm getting ready to do now, I'm just getting ready to add my covers back on. Make sure your wires are out the way so you can go ahead and put everything back into place. Actually, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is put them back into place where they belong. So this is for your light. Go ahead and click it right in there. Always be sure you hear that clicking sound so you know it is adjusted correctly. And let's do the same thing for the trunk button side. There you go. So what I'm getting ready to do now is push everything back up. Make sure they are sitting in the right position. All right. That's it. There you go. So everything go back correct spot. All right, everything lined up perfectly. So what I'm getting ready to do now is put my two screws back in, one on this side, one on that side. Do it again. Okay, just like that. So now what I'm getting ready to do is pull this part of the glove box, and also you have to push on the sides in order to get them little hooks to go in so it can hook on this side. So what you want to do is press both sides and like that. And then don't forget the little hatch thing on this side. Let me show you. You got about this right here. You got to pull it out and hook it and pull up. So now it's hooked and everything is back in. So most importantly, guys, I almost forgot, you got to put your pins back in. So in order to put them back in, what you want to do, you want to press on this, like split it like that, and then pull back. So you get the pin that's inside to come out like this, and then it will be a lot easier to just put it back into place. Just like that, and then push the pin in. So now it locks. Just like that. So we're gonna do the same thing for the second one. You're gonna split it like that. So you can get both sides to open up. And then the pin will come out like this. And then what you wanna do next is put it right in there, move it around a little bit. And once it's in there, you push the pin in, and you hear a clicking sound. That means it's locked. So that means everything is good. See how everything fits right there perfectly. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to start the car, make sure I don't hear any weird sound. You can hear car is running perfectly fine. Make sure there's no coding errors on the dash. Nothing except for my doors and trunks on or open. That's about it. So guys, this is it, man. If you did enjoy watching the video, be sure to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Alright, y'all, I'll catch y'all on the next one.